many your job. May interview. Yeah, I'm going to hand over to police. Police called the email. I am with there. All police were there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's why you play 2 times. Oh, in fact, I'm never. Yes, mobilizing youth for security work na rural area or villages is okay. Man, iti hana police ni mefa, all wa fana ha toto. Okay, no ifo kuru here now. Na he enwehe here say. Na he want to say. No police ka order then kezi security ebo. Because never no police ka order naka. You are just there. They go see Fozo. You are just there to expose yourselves. After everything, they will see expose you. That's what I'm saying. All the very bad. As a local vigilante, get now with the police. Or come money now alone with Yelusia. You had the police over. Or John way for the ane follow. Imenya near mafia. When you face a legit number more. When I get a police in now hand to hand. As a local vigilante, you can never do well. So now this security now, the Ideato. Come say I know what is where end because again before her malom mama kita na have a with the police. Okay, me see about some people able. Yes.
Oye Kwoku here now. Honorable Commander Luke Mbadiwe, John Joloki Ideato, the ISO command Ideato South. You know the ISO men. You have the gallant men. You have the capacity men. Ideato South to jail. Ideato South I will for sale. Yes. No room for kidnappers. No room for Fulani men. No room for courtesan. Yes. Here neighbor, Ugalan soldiers, non Ideato South. Who say men no day? Our DPO, capacity DPO, Ideato South. When you ask Kabaka, honor here with his men. Now, I tell you take off. You can put you on Ideato South. I got my parent take a now, I got started from.
This is our DPO.
Our bush.
Operative man.
Come to Mago. From there, take off to Umobum. Umobum to Tueke. To enter Kobo University. From Kobo University, we enter Oboko. Ubole. We join the Mago and the Ubishaku. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So, what I'm trying to say, Fulani, Norobehakai, Norobai. The courtesan nona Kakai, Norabai. Kidnappers, Robeha. Since I went insecurity, Chineke I don't need that or south. I know him when Mako. I got 170 kidnapper. 170 Fulani, and I got 100 by. Where police, I gave Bosie Allah, Asababuka, we need that or south police station. Oto has to be back has Allah. Although Manabia, Obera Bakahabu, Halage Bunuquaba. I don't move now to Bush. Bush, why I won't be a young way. I don't need more. I never be a member. Town is I. I had DPI and maybe before. Yes. I don't need more. And if I know I want to, I guess a video. Huh? I guess a video. Ebeka olusi Ideato. Ebeka olusi Ideato. Agama abu Ideato. Gade bozo gamili. Agama abu Ideato. Gade bozo gamili. Ideato gadenso. Will you? Our DPO, sir. What's our DPO? Come. Enter the bush. Run through the whole bush. Comb the place.
and have cleared the holdings to get rid of the hoodlums. To make sure that this access is in front. We have done that, and we are going to proceed from here to Umuobom, Tweke, and Mumisiak. As we go through, we'll be talking and keeping you people updated. Thank you.
This is the capacity DPO. So, one of the people.
Digital one for
Digital DPO.